So this is good for frying. So sometimes when you buy plantain and you notice that they're not sweet, you probably picked a wrong one. And this is moi moi from Olowo Shibi if you're in Nova Scotia. She makes yummy without bringing out everything. This is the best bread. So sweet. I just want to make sure that at least I spend 1 hour towards each goal.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunkenness.
Hi guys, that's okay, yeah. Hi guys, it's the new year. It's gonna be the first vlog of the year.
No, but
Yeah, I do.
remember, for Mother's Day and Father's Day won't be possible without me and AJ. So we'll be waiting for our gifts.
Can you guys imagine? Mother's Days and Father's Day won't be possible without you and AJ, so you're waiting for your gift. Anyways, welcome back, you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another vlog. It's 2023, so this is gonna be like the official vlog, first vlog for the year. Thank you guys for rolling with me. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. And if today is the first time of seeing my face, I'm Tim Dayo Jenya. I'm a YouTuber based in Nova Scotia, Canada. Thank you for watching this video. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And also click the like button. You guys, this really helps my YouTube channel. Even if you're not ready to watch, once you get the notification, just click the like button. This would help your girl. This would always motivate me to create videos. Anyways, I need to be out by 3 p.m. and I also need to clean my fridge. My fridge is a mess, a big mess, you guys. I don't mind showing you guys. It's a big mess. I've been cooking back to back, of course, festive period, and also creating content. So my fridge is a mess. I feel I need to clean it, and real life start back tomorrow. The kids are going back to school tomorrow. I'm resuming work tomorrow, so I think that would help me. Already I told the kids to arrange their closets, trash anything that needs to be trashed, and bring out 1 week clothes for the week. Okay, Rimsey, can you give me my tripod?
Every weekend is the same. I'm the one you're trying to claim. Yeah, I already know about your game, but I'm not the one that you around every place. Call me up with no shame. All your words sound the same. Yeah, already know about your game, but I'm not the one that you around every place. If you come around just to play me, don't bother, 'cause you ain't overdue. Don't even try to convince me. Don't bother, 'cause now I see you through.
And this is moi moi from Olowo Shibi if you're in Nova Scotia. She makes yummy moi moi. So I usually order moi moi from her. Hey Google, set alarm for 3 p.m.
If you come around just to play me, don't bother, 'cause you ain't overdue. Don't even try to convince me. Don't bother, 'cause now I see you through.
So I'm about to start now. I rushed out. Unfortunately, I was even going to vlog, but my battery went off along the line. So I'm just adding a little bit of dish soap in here. I would add warm water and just wipe everything off. I want to add more water to it. And I'm gonna put some white vinegar. This is just to help with the odor and also to kill germs.
Every now and then I think what we had was something real. Don't know why, 'cause I've been hurt like this. But never thought that I would fight for you this much. Don't know why, and tonight
Look at all the dirt there. There's no way you'll be able to get into those corners without bringing out everything.
the one to be blamed, 'cause I ain't the one who hesitates. Yeah, already know about your stupid game.
Hi guys, good evening. So I just got back from work now, and on my way coming back from work I branched Superstore and No Frills to grab some items, just do a mini grocery shopping, as after Christmas we've almost finished everything. So let me show you guys the stuff I got from the store. I got this chicken, the full roasted chicken from Superstore, and this was $12. I never used to buy this before, but in December myself and my friend went to a store close to the store, close to my office, and we decided to get this chicken, and it was quite cheap. Since then I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna start buying this. Like, it's just so perfect for supper for me. Any day I feel tired or just want to eat something else, this is my go-to. I can just buy it, eat with salad, or make noodles, just something different. So just that, I'm not sure if this will be tasty as the other one. I can't remember the name of the store. I think Otto's store. Anyways, this is from No Frills and it smells good. As soon as I came in, my kids noticed I came with something, and I'm gonna be having this with salad anyways. I don't know what they're gonna be eating. I just asked them if they've had supper. They said no, so let's see what the kids will want to eat. So that's the only thing I actually got from Superstore. And let me show you other things I got from No Frills. So I got yogurt for snack. They were not they didn't have good looking avocados, so I just had to pick two, but they're not ripe, so I hope they'll come out good eventually. And I got this for breakfast. This is for me, myself and AJ. We like this brand. It's what was it called? It's all grain anyway. So yeah, so we got this cereal and pancakes. I actually promised the kids I was going to make pancakes for them today as breakfast, but I couldn't make it, and I just thought when I saw the pack I was like, okay, let me just grab one so I don't have to do my own mixture of pancakes. So, and I got the famous Auntie Jemima syrup. I use maple syrup, but the kids don't like maple syrup, so I use that for them. I got also the coleslaw. So I bought the plantains. They're not ripe. Yes, so this is a good day for me to talk about these plantains. So you guys, I don't know if you've ever noticed that there are different types of plantain, like there are different species. So this one is actually green and it says vet of frying. I don't know if you guys can see that. So this doesn't show frying. Some would have frying. So the vet means, I think that's a French word, and I feel that frying. So this is good for frying. So sometimes when you buy plantain and you notice that they're not sweet, you probably picked a wrong one. So this is good for frying. It comes out like the ones we eat in Nigeria. So I'm looking for another good one you can buy. Is the yellow one. And this says grilling, so this is good for grilling, but I actually grill both the green and the yellow one. So the one you don't want to buy is the black one. The black one is for baking. Yeah, that's what that says. The black one is for baking, and it's not always sweet, you guys. It takes forever to ripe, and that's if it even gets ripe at all. Like, it doesn't ripe, and I don't know if it's actually going to be good for baking. So maybe if you're watching your weight, like you have diabetes or anything, I don't know if that one is not sweet. That's the basic thing. Like, it doesn't come out sweet, doesn't look good, the texture is bad. So if you're not aware of that, you can start taking note of it. So always check the stickers. Most time I get my plantains from No Frills, Walmart or Superstore. I like to buy from Superstore. You probably get ripe ones, and their plantains are always good. But yeah, so but this was gotten from No Frills, so take note if you are not aware of that. The black one is a no-no for me, so I either get the green one, the one that has a sticker that says green, or yellow. This one comes ripe. I mean, they come out good when they are ripe, sweet and all of that. So I just thought to share that with you guys. And of course I got blueberries for my oatmeal, as that is my usual breakfast. So that's that. I think that's all. Oh no, I can never go to a store and never get bread. You guys already know how much we are in love with bread in my house. I was going to buy the whole wheat bread for myself, but then I thought I haven't been eating so much bread for breakfast these days. I've been doing more of oats, so I didn't bother buying bread, because I think the last one we bought from Costco, and we bought the 3 packs or 2, and it stayed forever in my freezer. So anyways, this is the bread we eat. We started eating this bread since we went to Quebec. Some of our friends introduced this bread to us, and this is the best bread. So sweet, so sweet. Try it and come back to thank me. So, and you can only get this bread, the sliced one, you can only get it at No Frills and Walmart. And Costco and some other stores carry the burger bread and the hot dog bread, but you will never find the sliced one at Costco or any other store. So thank me later. This bread, you guys, though it's a bit pricey than the other usual bread, the regular ones, but it's really sweet, you guys. It's really sweet. It's sweet. I can't even start explaining what actually happened in Quebec. So when we're going to Quebec, we're eating Wonder Bread. So I took a bunch of Wonder Bread to Quebec, and I noticed that whenever I make breakfast, the kids were not eating Wonder Bread. We're always going for this bread. I was even angry at a point, and I had to voice out like, what's going on? Then Soki, the person that brought this one, she now said, taste this one. Jesus, I was the one that used my hand to throw away the Wonder Bread. I said, jeez, it was so good. I had it with hot chocolate and fried egg. God, I was like, so this is what I was missing. As we got back from Quebec that day, trust me, we went to Superstore to get it. But unfortunately, I didn't realize that Superstore doesn't carry the sliced one. But we bought the hot dog one and the, what was it called? Anyways, the hot dog one and the burger one. So I got some grapes for salad as well. And I got the... So usually I prefer the, what's it called? Pickle dill salad kit. But No Frills didn't have it today, so I had to go for this kale slaw. So it's a blend of cabbage, broccoli, kale, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. And I still have the cream from the last one, the pickle dill salad I bought. So I still have the cream there, so I'll be using the cream. Oh, let me see. I think I took it to office yesterday, but I didn't finish it. Let me show you guys. So this is my newfound love when it comes to salad. I actually stopped making salad from scratch. I have to save myself the stress. So this is the pack of the one I love. So it's called dill pickle. So it actually comes as a kit. It comes with the cream. What else? It comes with the cream and the breadcrumbs. You guys know what I'm talking about. Let me see. So it comes with pickle ranch dressing, and this is not saying what it comes with. Anyways, that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead now, and I'm thinking, should I shower first? I don't know. Anyways, I'll be having my salad and my chicken. Let me have a taste of chicken and tell you guys what it feels like. Let's go taste it. Let's go taste it. Good. It's well seasoned. I thought there was not gonna be salt in this chicken. Like, I can't believe this. I can't believe this. This is super good.
Daylight is flesh is a spirit of trouble. Under moonlit sky, I'm desperate to feel more alive, alive. Dreams that keep me wide awake.
Guys, thank you guys for watching. I've had my bath, I've eaten. I probably should have even mentioned this from the beginning of the vlog, like just to encourage ourselves and motivate someone that this year is that year that we have to reach those goals, those long lists we've been having, and we're not working towards it. Like this year, I said I must meet all my goals, and part of the strategy I have for this year goal is to daily contribute towards my goals. Okay, for example, this year I want to be more dedicated with my content creation. I want to be more consistent, and I've set a target for myself. I know by God's grace I will make it. So, and part of it is being consistent, and if I want to be consistent I have to create more content. Since I know that most people want lifestyle, even though I have other things in plans but I haven't had time to like start them, I just make sure that okay, I pick up my camera, I vlog my lifestyle vlog. So just like what I did today, I just want to make sure that at least I spend 1 hour towards each goal, towards each thing on my list. It might not be every day for some categories, depending on what it is. Just make sure I do something, I contribute something towards the goal daily. So that's what I'm about doing. I've created content which I want to be more consistent this year.
We got a party for